Hi, how to print a document to a postscript file. Now to do this, first I need to install a postscript printer file. Now click on Start, Devices and Printers, Add Printer, Add Local, and then click on File, Print to File. Next. Now you just need to find a postscript printer. Any will do. In this case I'm going to use Xerox, any of these, and then I'm going to call it printer, postscript printer. So that's done. So you can see it's installed it there and it's now default. So now I want to actually print any file to postscript. This example I'm going to use some PDF files. I'm going to use in batch with Batch and Print Pro. Now I want to set the output folder in the print to options to this folder here, the output folder here. So just click on Browse, paste that in, and that's saved and done. For different languages, non-English, you will need to change this here for the pop-up what appears in Windows to whatever what it is. Save and close. Now I'm going to drag and drop some files, a couple of files there, and click print. So you can see it's printed to postscript printer there. So look in the output, you can see the postscript files have come up there. I can open it with Notepad. You can see it's got the postscript information there. Depending on the printer driver you're using, you will actually put in the PGL for that printer as well. And that's it. Give it a try.